Well, that wasn't one of ours. If your deck does that, call us.
For 45 years, Decks, and More Decks has built thousands of top-notch, high-quality decks. Because we're family-owned and operated, we bring a one-on-one experience to the vast world of outdoor living. Take a minute to look at your deck. If it has signs of being in bad condition, such as mold, rotting, broken rails, previously done repairs, then it's probably time to get a replacement. We use major composite decking names such as Fiberon, TimberTech, Trex, and Decorators.
We specialize in brand new, low-maintenance composite decks. If you're looking for shade, we've got pergolas. Want to enjoy your deck at night? We install lighting too. Need a clean, finished look? We'll take care of the skirting and privacy fences. Whatever you need to make your deck feel complete. In just a few days, we turn your yard into the perfect place for family gatherings, cookouts with friends, and enjoying the outdoors. If you're in Omaha, not only will we help you envision your new deck, but we'll tear down your old one and build a new one. Contact us to schedule your in-person showroom consultation today.